The other day, I got this. It is a Google Pixel tablet. For those of you who did not see that video, yes, I am a die-hard Apple fan who purchased my first ever Android tablet. And today, we're getting into why I did that a little bit. This is the charging dock that goes with it. It's kind of why you get a Pixel tablet. All right, let's get into why you're actually here. This is the charging dock for the Pixel tablet. The whole point of this is to use it as a Nest Hub Max, and I have a Google Nest Hub in my room at the moment. And the idea behind purchasing this dock is to be able to replace that with this tablet. So once again on the back, we got those two pull tabs here. So we're just gonna go ahead and get these off of the device so that we can actually set this up and check it out. So we'll take those off and get the box off. And yeah, there it is, chilling right there on the top, the little speaker connection dock for it. So it's just got a couple of pens here that line up with the back of the tablet, and it's pretty straightforward, honestly. So we've got a instruction manual, it looks like, here at the bottom. And then in here, what do we got? Charger, obviously. So just in case you've not actually seen how this works, you basically just take the tablet here, it's got these pens on the back, the speaker has them as well, and it just magnetically attaches just like so. So pretty straightforward. Then when you want to use it as a tablet, this is the whole reason, you just pop it right off, use it as a dock, pop it right on. All right, let's go install this. All right, we are over here in my room where we are actually replacing this Nest Hub right here. It's been giving me some issues lately with this new version right there. All right, let's see how this goes. There we go. That was a terrible shot. Grab the tablet right here and dock it for the very first time and just see how it looks. Come on, tablet. Do tablet stuff. All right, there we go. I guess I had a loose cable a minute ago. Set up hub mode. This is gonna be great. Yeah, continue. Oh, very cool. I think I will just do art gallery. Sounds fun. Eventually, I'll probably do a Google Photos slideshow, but not right now. I want to set up an album that is just like dedicated to that. So we're gonna go ahead and hit next. Oh, very fun. Featured photos, absolutely. That's probably my favorite one. And we'll go right here. Heck yeah, this is just like the Nest Hub, honestly. Yeah, so once we get it docked, it just kind of sits right there. If you want to control anything in the home, you just hit right here, and you've got access to all of your different things. I can see, for example, how the Wi-Fi network is doing. I can go back. I can see the temperature in the house, make those adjustments right here on the device. So honestly, very, very cool way to interact with it. And then when you want it in tablet mode again, you just take it with you. Anyway, leave a comment, leave a like on this video, hit that subscribe button if you are new around here, and we'll definitely circle back and talk about my experience with Android and with using this particular tablet as a replacement to my former Nest Hub here. So hopefully you enjoyed this, and I will catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.